Hi, hello guys. Welcome back to Vaanga and Neenga and Ulagam Suthalam YouTube channel. I am your senthilkumararaja. How are you guys? Hope you all are doing good. This is you people can see just behind me there is a big stage and the people are doing a strange costume and scary costume. You can see behind me and of course the before winter start in Sweden, people are make a scary costume and they walk in the street and it's every year they conducting this kind of function. You know, eventually everyone's participate in this kind of scary costume parade and they're enjoying. And this is the one of the biggest costume parade in all Europe. So in many European peoples also come to Sweden to watch this parade. So you people also can watch with me and dance with me, enjoy. Let's go and make a scare someone. All right, come, let's go.
Vi känner varandra utan till och båda vet att ingen av oss längre vill vara kvar. Men vi är allt vi har. 1, 2, 3. Om vi bara släpper taget, tar en dag i taget, så kommer det lösa sig till slut. Om vi bara kastar.
Okej, låt prata det.
Okay, get ready. It's one of the biggest in Europe.
Are you excited, audience? Are you excited?
Very excited.
The biggest in Europe. That's fantastic.
Yeah. Okay, well, David.
Fantastic. I wish I was there.
We wish you were here too. We're going to get back to the costume contest, but thank you very much.
Yes. Guys,
Okay.
thank you for having me.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, David Erickson. What? He said he's never old.
Ja, för ni startar vågen. Are you ready? When they raise their hands like this and go woo-hoo, you go like this, woo-hoo, 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 okay? Like that's a parade. Yeah, and you know, Ida, I heard that Ida has got a surprise for us in the parade. Ida, tell us what you're gonna do.
I'm gonna be, I don't know if I'm in the front or in the back. I bet in the front.
In the front.
Yeah, I'm gonna be on a monster truck and I'm gonna...
Devil.
I think I know her.
Devil in disguise.
I recognize you. You've been there before, right?
Very costumes. Do we have more? I think we've got a couple more, perhaps.
In a while. So go to the parade and I'll see you when you get back from the parade.
So this candy only for kids?
No, it's for everyone.
All right, okay. I'm just kidding. Even the shops owners also, they wearing the scary costume. So this is churros and donuts corner. So they're making churros, hot churros and donuts. Everyone eager to picking churros and donuts. Where I'm standing now, this is the way the people will come with the scary costumes. We are expecting soon.
So cool, right? So cool, right? It's cold. Oh, hey, look.
They start coming the parade here, the Halloween scary costume. Yeah. Oh my god. Hi. At the front, two people standing with a candle. Hi, hello friends. Woohoo! I hope you guys enjoy the scary costume parade today, and I hope you people like this video, and you people also try sometime come and see this scary costume parade. It's really amazing, and we enjoyed a lot. Boom boom dance. I hope you like it. Like rocking scary faces and costumes, everything you. I hope you guys will like it. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned with Vaanga Neenga Ulagam Suthalam YouTube channel. I am your senthilkumararaja. We will watch next beautiful, amazing video. I don't know what is it, but I can guarantee you, that video will be amazing. Good for you people giving encouragement for my channel. Thank you so much. Stay with me. I love you all, guys. Bye.